How you doing, sir?
Oh, doing good, man. Kill number 50.
We just started the game.
Yeah, how about you guys?
I just got out of the loadout screen. We were just a quick question, sir. How does one get to where you're at?
Prioritize.
Prioritize like what? Like what?
Do you guys have jobs?
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah.
Both wrong answers. Lose the jobs. Number 2, sex. You guys having some?
What?
Yeah, I mean...
Wrong answer. Sex equals minus kills. No sex plus kills.
I never looked at it that way.
Yeah.
How much sex do you have?
None. Battlefield's my puss.
And we're back with the action. What are we doing today? The light's too bright. There you go. What are we doing today, bro?
It's still bright, bro. What are you talking about?
How do you put it down, bro?
Is it?
Oh God!
You know what time
morning
it is?
time?
You know what it is, bro. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Here to shed some light on you
Now they're
guys.
fucking winning like
Do you guys have 5 minutes to talk about Jesus Christ?
Bro, I fucking hate my legs so much.
She got full slicks now, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
I was wondering if you want to do this tomorrow or not?
You want to do it tomorrow?
Yeah, because it's my suspension. If you want to look at it.
My transmission is fried. It's like fucked up. I'm making I haven't been racing lately because I don't want to fuck up my transmission. So I'm only racing like people out of town, making an exception. Since nobody else is like saying, oh, let's race. You know what I mean? I'm like, fuck it. My car is just sitting there with a toast transmission, so I might as well come do it. You know what I mean? But I can be coming back and forth. You know what I mean? I already bought ice, time. You know what I mean? He's like.
I mean, we did too. We came all the way from Gallup. You know, that's far.
Oh, I understand that.
But I'm just saying that if you want to do it tomorrow or not, it's up to you. Because my suspension, I need it to get welded.
I got all night. I got all night. You can adjust it. Take
I
your
need
time.
it welded. I was going to show you. I need it welded.
Welded?
Yep. You know the suspension bar? It's got to be welded to the axle. And I didn't have time to do it yet. And I was just wondering, I thought it was going to work without it. But.
I mean, the car went straight.
No, it didn't. That's why.
I mean, considering the street, I guess every car does this shit, the same shit here. Don't think because you can fix. If you fix your suspension, it's gonna go straight. No, it's not gonna happen. It's gonna go do the same thing.
When I was on stock suspension, it was doing a little bit better than that. You know. Well, you want
these are equalizer.
Well, you want to just do it for 100 then right now?
For 100.
I don't want to just put down too much and then that.
This is an equalizer. We're gonna do the same thing. You know what I mean? This is a driver's race. You know. I'm here to gamble, you know. For 100, I wouldn't come here for $100. That's why I said 500 minimum. You know what I mean? I would take my time for that. But
yeah, I know.
We got a fucking expensive car. We got an expensive car. We don't want to hit you.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
I don't think you're gonna hit me.
You want to see? Let's go.
You were going pretty straight.
Who got the light?
Get in the car with me then, and you want to.
I saw the pass. I saw both of them. I don't think you did anything enough like to.
Just look under there. Bring your light down there, your camera.
No, it's not gonna fit down there because it has.
I mean, just side right here. Just side right here.
Right under here.
All right, let's see if I can.
You see it?
You see how it's hanging there?
I gotta weld that thing onto my axle.
And you guys gonna weld it and shit?
Yeah. Fucking sucks.
How about if I give you some space? How about that?
Space?
I'm here to gamble. I don't want to gamble $100, bro. That's embarrassing for me, to be honest.
You look like every girl's dream guy in the old like 80s movies.
I'm old enough to be your dad, bro. I'll pull up in a fucking T-top.
Hey, you're not that guy.
You're not that guy. You're not that guy. I don't know why y'all always actually.
You're gonna go home. 300?
I always pull up in like
car and 300.
Let's do 500. I'll give you the car. How about this? I'll give you 2 cars.
There you go.
I get right lane for 500.
Yeah. That really is out here to gamble.
Yeah, I'm here gambling. I'm here to gamble. I'm already here.
That's a good one.
You know what I mean? But I'm definitely not gonna do it for 100. I would rather go shoot for $100. My car is disabled too, to be honest.
That's to the 8?
My car's retarded.
My transmission might fail any moment. I'm just here gambling, to be honest. Like that's why I haven't been racing my car. I've been busy. I haven't had a chance to put my other bill transmission and converter. So it's just parked there, and every time something comes up, like I don't even care about racing anybody from town. You know, I mean, just.
All right, here on Fox 5 News now.
All right, what's going on, Vince? What's happening?
All right, quick. We got a quick rundown over here. Car came in.
Okay.
Car came in having issues. Other car came in having issues. We're in intermediate break time, trying to figure out what we're gonna figure out. He offered 2 cars in the hit, so now they're trying to think about it.
All right, everyone, post your bets in the comments below. Post your bets.
Hey, hold on, though. I want to ask something.
Cryptocurrency only.
Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Daily Revs. Subscribe to that shit.
See it? You see it? What time is it right now?
Bro, it's already 2 o'clock.
Look.
Wait, it's still right. Hold on.
Been out here since.
We've been here since 11:30.
Hey, I like your picture, though, bro. Hold on, let me turn this shit off.
Oh, you like mine, though?
Look. We've been here since 11:30.
Oh, wait. Let's see the difference, bro. This is a Ford and a fucking trailer.
Yeah, that's why I have a Camaro, because it's never on the trailer.
But mine. Hey, I just want to let you know I love you, baby girl.
Hold on, Simp. What is Simp? Simp.
Yeah, I guess we'll do it.
You want to do that? Okay. Alright, so 100, 2 cars. I get right lane.
Are you gonna take this lane?
Yeah, the right lane. You guys want a flagger? Or it don't matter who flags to be honest. I usually do.
Well, Tiny's not here.
No, fuck Tiny.
His name's George.
Tiny's not
here. I like Tiny. No, this other guy. What's the other guy? We got Fresh. The one that Fresh, yeah, the one that flagged the shootout. He can shoot. He can flag. George.
Come over here, bro. Stop
When you see the flag blue.
Bro, look, Fresh has been fucking flagging since the womb. that man been flagging since the womb, bro. He came out.
You need me to flag?
Yeah. You've been practicing the treadmill, so.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, send me that video.
Post it on the left, bro. Post it on the left.
Oh, you want to flag? Sure, I'll flag. I don't care. We flagged this the last shootout. Flag good.
Just let me know how you guys want me to flag, and I'll flag it that way. I won't run back. If you don't want me to run back, I'll just stand over there. I'll point, and then I'll hit the light.
Yeah,
that's
I'll
cool
flash when I'm ready.
Okay. And then you do the same thing?
Sounds good.
Quarter of a mile, right?
1/8 mile.
1/8 mile?
It's better for you? Yeah, it's actually better for you. I can't race. Me gustaría. My shit is fast in the quarter. I'm telling you, I have power. My shit has power. I can't race. My transmission slips. After 3rd gear, it just does it. And 4th, 5th, and 6th, it just slips. Yeah, my shit just slips after. It's only good for 8. 2nd to 8th. After that, it starts sleeping. So.
have a cam either. But I don't have a big ass torque or anything, so. Yeah, it's time to Hey, Mr. 427. This is 427 too. Tu motor, 420.
Start motor.
We can't sit
Not
there.
even.
Hey, for the right amount of money, we'll let you take it apart.
Okay. Hey, you were talking about the chute, right?
Oh, the what?
The chute.
The what?
The chute.
What?
The chute with the car.
Shoot.
The shoe?
If the boys come down here, you got a $5,000 race with your Cadillac. With your Cadillac. And that chute from Albuquerque.
Which boy are you talking about? I don't know.
Hey, he was talking to you on
Shoe? Oh, Shoe is the name of the YouTube name?
Lopez.
Danny Lopez.
I don't know.
He was talking to him on
I don't remember,
YouTube.
bro. I mean, I talk to so many people daily. I ran Yeski, I talk to like 200 people daily. I like forget a lot of shit. Honestly, but I mean...
Yeah, I almost hit you.
You almost hit me?
Yeah,
I know I almost hit this big guy right here.
Yeah. I was like this.
He didn't know where to go. This way.
This guy was right here. Then
He turned this skinny.